In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a message in a channel in Slack. Let's start right from your browser. Open your preferred search engine and type Slack. In the results, click the official Slack website to open Slack in your browser. If you're prompted to sign in, choose your workspace and log in as you normally would. Once you're in, you'll see your workspace with channels listed on the left. Next, open the channel where you want to send your message. Channels are marked with a hashtag symbol and can be public or private depending on your team's setup. If you don't see the channel immediately, use the search bar at the top to find it by name. Click the channel to bring it into focus, and you'll land on the conversation view. Look to the bottom of the screen for the message field. Click into that box and start typing your message. Keep it clear and to the point so teammates can quickly understand what you need. You can use the formatting toolbar beneath the field to add bold text, lists, or code snippets if that makes your message easier to read. When your message is ready, press Enter to send it. If you want to add a new line without sending, press Shift plus Enter while you're typing. If you want to notify a specific teammate, you can mention them right in your message. Click the @ icon in the message field and choose the person you want to notify from the list that appears. You can also type the @ symbol followed by their name to bring up suggestions. Mentions send a notification, so use them thoughtfully and try to avoid broad mentions like @channel unless everyone truly needs to be alerted. You can also attach files to give your message more context. In the message area, click the plus icon. From the menu that appears, select Upload from your computer. A file picker will open, where you can browse to the document, image, or other file you want to share. Select the file and click Open. Slack will show a preview and give you a chance to add an optional caption or comment before sending. When everything looks good, send your message as usual, and the file will appear in the channel along with your text. That's it. Open Slack, choose the right channel, type your message, mention teammates when needed, and attach files with the plus icon and the upload from your computer option. With these basics, you'll communicate clearly and keep your team in the loop.